You getting tired of your layabout life? Is that Mother Nature calling you? You sick and tired of waking up with the feeling that there's something more out there to do? There's another way to be. We can all be free. Come along with me, we're running wild. Past the fences and cages. Wild. Past the end of the tracks. We ain't coming back, we're running wild.
Hey, yoink, yank. Throw your backs out. Come on, you lazy lot, mush. Do you think this stolen TV is gonna get magically carried home by some passing gullible do-gooders?
Afternoon.
Nice day for it.
Good afternoon. It is a nice day.
Hey, wait a minute. I saw a TV just like this in a shop window in Timberline. I've always wanted one. Where'd you get it?
Well, my colleagues and I found it, if you'd, believe that. My name is Dean. Who might you be?
I'm Elliot, and the bear drooling on your TV is Boog.
A pleasure to meet you both. Now that's quite the grip, my strapping friend. I wonder, would you be willing to help us carry our new acquisition back to our clubhouse? You're welcome to hang out and watch it, and we have lots of other cool stuff for you to enjoy, too.
I don't know about these guys, Boog. And what's with all the air quotes?
What's so suspicious about some dude we don't know who just found a new TV in the woods, wanting our help in exchange for free stuff? Which way?
Boys, I think our lives are about to get a whole lot easier.
What a view. You guys really know how to live.
Just wait till you see the inside.
Are you kidding me? Check this place out, E. Whoa. Where'd you get all this amazingly cool, remarkably brand new looking stuff?
Yeah, you'd be impressed at what you can find if you know where to look.
Oh, wait! This place is amazing!
Oh, yeah.
You said it, Talking Fish.
Make yourselves at home. What's ours is yours. In fact, come by anytime you like. There is just one condition. You can't tell anyone about this place. N-E-1!
I don't know if I can do this. I'm terrible at keeping secrets. Once Mr. Winnie threw up an entire pizza. I'm chewed! You see?
Look at this place, would you? It's got everything we've ever dreamed of. Don't the leaders of Camp Wild deserve a bit of the good life?
Hungry?
You got snacks, too? Okay, maybe I can hold on to this secret after all. You ninjas just try and break my lone antler defense. Ow, 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 okay, you broke it. Take this. Tap out, tap out.
What time is it? Oh, come on, Elliot. We better get home before the campers get suspicious.
Yeah, we'll see you back real soon. And remember, there's only 2 rules here. Number 1, you don't talk about Possum Club.
Got it.
Yep.
And number 2, you don't talk about Possum Club.
Oh, yeah. Listen, I know how this normally goes. You learn a secret, someone gives you a sideways look, and then you blurt out the whole thing. But if you blow this secret, Dean will kick us out of Possum Club. And that's the end of the good life for both of us.
But McSquishy and Carla have the most sideways looks in the whole camp.
Just play it cool, and we'll breeze right on by, okay?
fries I smell? French fries?
A chocolate mustache? Ha! I knew there was no way you could get a real one. What are you two hiding?
Yeah, but
Nothing. We, just found some takeout containers on our walk, yeah. They were mostly empty, but you know what they say, mostly empty ain't fully empty.
I feel there's something you're not telling us.
Nope, that's it. Found some garbage, ate some garbage. Come on, Elliot.
do not ever put me in there again.
Dude, you really are terrible at keeping secrets.
I know. I tried to tell you. You can use your toothbrush to clean your feet.
Elliot, can you keep Possum Club under wraps or not?
I'll do my best, Boog. I promise.
Okay, I'm going to bed.
If there's one thing I can't stand, it's not knowing what I don't know. Those two are up to something, or my name isn't Carlita Isabel Josefina Inez Guadalupe Morales.
Is it?
It is.
Well, we'll get to the bottom of this. We only need one of them to talk.
You do mean Elliot, right?
Yeah.
Then, once we get them to the store, we tell them our friend is late. And
What's awesome, Possum?
oh, welcome. Funny, we were just talking about you two.
Well, it is almost time for breakfast. Man, this place is great, Dean.
And wouldn't you love it even more if it had a splurshing machine? Indeed. I have a friend who said we can have his if we pick it up.
You know, why do you keep making air quotes around everything?
Pop-up? So, what do you say, huh? Can you help us?
Keep these coming and we'll help you move anything.
Oh, we're counting on it.
Why are we sneaking if your friend said we can have his splurshing machine?
My, friend is asleep in there, and I don't want to wake him. Speaking of, where is he? Must be late.
Wait, doesn't your friend work here? Is he asleep or late?
I don't know. Maybe he's late because he's asleep. Look, I can find someone else to help if you guys don't like splushies.
No.
We're in.
Great. He said we should just walk on in. He said we should just kick the door down and walk on in. Ignore that. That's his alarm clock. He's a heavy sleeper.
Brain freeze.
Boog, rookie. You gotta pace yourself. Uh-oh. Sugar coma incoming.
These two dopes are worth their weight in splushies. With the bear's muscle and the deer's... well, with the bear's muscle, we could steal anything.
Oh, hoo-wee! That was awful, but totally worth it.
So, Boog, my friends need help moving a bunch of, stuff. It would be a snap with your help.
Nah, it's getting kind of late. Who moves this time of night? Besides, we should head home and... I'll go wake Elliot. Man, sneaking underground? That's sneaky. The Pet Palace? Oh, I knew something fishy was up. Dean isn't friends with Cleo. No one is. He's trying to get us to rob the place. Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.